Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Tech Infosys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your ATO's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your ATO's account, firstly go ahead and launch up an anywhere browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in ATO sign in and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Tap on the first link shown on the page. You will end up on the official page of your ATO's account. Click on Login at the top right corner of the page. The login page of your ADO's account will be displayed on the screen. Now to log into your account, enter your username or email address and password associated with your ADO's account and tap on Sign In. In case if you don't remember your username or password, click on the link that says Forgot Username or Forgot Password. This is how you can log into your ADO's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for further updates. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, just go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down any suggestions or improvements to be made to our channel by commenting on the comment box. We will be looking forward to upload more contents and tutorials on the upcoming video for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching.